In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the degree symbol in Google Slides. Whether you're crafting a presentation for your class, assembling comprehensive data for your business, or brainstorming ideas with colleagues, incorporating symbols and special characters can really help in conveying your message more effectively. Let's dive into the details and explore 3 simple yet effective methods for inserting a degree symbol into your Google Slides presentation. First, let's look at the approach using keyboard shortcuts, which can be incredibly handy if you're looking for speed and efficiency. If you're using Windows, start by positioning your cursor exactly where you need the degree symbol in your text. Then, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and type 0176 using the numeric keypad. As soon as you release the Alt key, the degree symbol should appear right where your cursor is located. For Mac users, it's even more straightforward. Just press the Option and Shift keys, and then press the number 8. It's essential to ensure that your cursor is in the correct spot before carrying out these shortcuts to avoid repositioning the symbol afterward. Now, if keyboard shortcuts aren't your thing or your setup doesn't support it, another way is by using the Insert Special Characters tool. In Google Slides, go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, choose Special Characters. This will open a dialog box where you can search for various symbols, including the degree symbol. In the search bar within this dialog box, type in degree. In the options that appear, click on the degree symbol, and it will pop right into your slide. It's a user-friendly way to ensure the symbol is accurately inserted without needing to remember key combinations. Finally, there's a simple copy and paste method, which is a lifesaver if you're more comfortable with this route. You can copy the degree symbol from another source, maybe an online resource or a document where it's already placed, and then just paste it into your Google Slides text box. This method is universally applicable and very useful if you already have the symbol accessible somewhere. Also, many operating systems come with a built-in character map or symbol picker, and you could use those tools to copy the degree symbol and paste it into your slide as well. And there you have it. 3 versatile methods to add a degree symbol in Google Slides. Each method comes with its own merits, be it speed, precision, or ease of use. Choose the one that best fits your workflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it adds a touch of ease and professionalism to your presentations. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!